Have you ever wondered what happens when a goddess falls in love with a mortal? In ancient mythology, the enchanting Selene, the radiant goddess of the moon, roamed the night sky in her silvery chariot, illuminating the world below with her gentle light. One fateful night, as she gazed down upon the earth, she spotted Endymion, a strikingly handsome shepherd, asleep beneath a grove of fragrant trees. Captivated by his beauty, Selene felt her heart stir for the first time, and from that moment, she vowed to make him her eternal love. Selene descended to earth, wrapping Endymion in her soft glow, and night after night she visited him, sharing whispers of love and dreams under the stars. Yet, unbeknownst to her, the gods had other plans. Zeus, fearing the power of their love, granted Endymion eternal sleep, keeping him forever youthful, but eternally unreachable. Heartbroken, Selene continued her nightly journey across the sky, mourning her beloved. In her sorrow, she became a symbol of unrequited love, lighting the night while longing for the warmth of his embrace. Thus, their love story remains a poignant reminder of sacrifice and the bittersweet nature of longing.